Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable mobile view on your Wix website. So let's get started. So in order to do that, you just need to head over to your Wix website editor. And then from in there, you should be able to see the settings right here. Now click on your settings. And then from in there, you should be able to see this mobile friendly. So click on this mobile friendly right here. And then this will open this actual window right here wherein you can give visitors the best experience on smaller screens. So as you can see, the mobile friendly has been enabled, which in turn automatically resizes your text and images to enjoy faster loading times and more on mobile. So if you turn it on, you will be able to see your website on mobile. So if you turn this off, you won't be able to see your website on mobile. So that's how you do it. So let's close this one and let's see what it looks like on mobile. Now we can see what it looks like on mobile, but it is actually not really good looking. As you can see, the visitors are off and the mobile view is off. So your visitors are entering this mobile friendly view. So you need to give them the best mobile experience so they won't be able to see this one. So if you want to turn this on again, just head over to your settings and then the mobile friendly again. Then from there, just enable it from there. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to enable or disable mobile view on Wix website. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.